All right, here we go. Last problem, number 30 in our 0314 homework number 5 in MyLab Math. And the instructions say simplify by taking roots of the numerator and the denominator. Assume that all expressions under radicals represent positive numbers. So I have the fifth root of a fraction. Now, there is a property of radicals that says I can split that up and I can do the fifth root of the numerator and the fifth root of the denominator separately, okay? So I'm going to split that up. Now, there's also a property of radicals that says if I have multiple factors under a single radical, that I can again split that up and take the fifth root of each factor separately. And so what I can do here is I can actually do the fifth root of each one of those pieces separately. And if you notice, what I've done here is I've broken off a piece that I can do electronically. The calculator, the Casio ClassWiz, has the ability to do a fifth root. If we hit Shift and X to the whatever power, I can fill in the index with 5 and the radicand with 32. And we can see the fifth root of 32 is 2. Okay, so that's going to simplify nicely. The fifth root of 32 is 2. For the variables, you want to divide the exponent by the index. So in the denominator, if I do 15 divided by 5, that's going to divide evenly as y to the third. Since 15 divides by 5 evenly, there is no radical part left in the denominator. And for the x, I want to do 19 divided by 5. Now, that's not going to divide evenly, so I'm going to bring that over to the side and divide it old school, like we did back in 4th grade. So 5 goes into 19 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15, with a remainder of 4. So I have my quotient and my remainder. That means that the fifth root of x to the 19th is going to simplify as x to the third, fifth root of x to the fourth. Do you see that? The quotient is the exponent outside the radical, and the remainder is the exponent inside the radical. Also notice that the index has to remain. The most common mistake people will make here is they will drop the index, but that 5 has to stay there, okay? And so now we're going to see if that is the right answer simplified completely. We have 2x to the third, fifth root of, that means we're going to hit the nth root, put an index of 5, and x to the fourth. Underneath, move to the bottom, y to the third. Fingers crossed. Damn. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.